smells very sweet in here. You know, obviously that ethylene glycol is doing its thing, smelling like big freaking bowl of maple syrup, or maybe 3D printing some PLA. Although weirdly, it smells less toxic than PLA, even though I'm pretty sure ethylene glycol is a lot more toxic. So, you know, there is that. Oh wow, that's crazy. I don't know if you can see that, but like just where it touched, like it's poly. I mean, I did sand these down, but like you can tell sort of like the surface before, but like that, like it's not a mirror.